Down at the flying field, flying another one of my favourites, and I love F-16s in any size, to be honest. But this particular F-16, EDF F-16 from FMS, is particularly good, despite the fact that they have cheated, really. F-16s have an all-moving tailplane, typically full size, but this one has elevators, which work really well. I have flown this a bit, and it does high alpha amazingly well despite that. So this is a 6S power system in this, retractable landing gear, and sorry, the EDF 12 blade running on a 6S battery. Flies really well, I have to say. Have flown this a lot, and it's something I flew a lot and then put it away, and it's gathered dust, but got to bring it out on a really lovely day like today. It takes minutes to put this together. Again, with FMS, they do all the hard work for you, so you literally do have to just bolt the wings on and the vertical stabilizer, put your receiver in, and you're ready to go. Anyway, let's get it back in the air. Let's see how well this flies. This is how, because Outstanding. FMS 70mm F-16. Just brilliant. It flies so slow. So without doubt the most agile jet that I have in this size that I have flown for a long time. You can really bank and yank it around and it floats, but it's also got high speed as well. It's just an utter joy to fly. You have to keep it light, I would say. For a 4-minute flight or just longer than that, I was using a Success 3700 pack all the way back to at the back of the battery bay, so it's just slightly behind the recommended CG, and just brilliant. It just gives you such confidence as soon as you take off, and then you can keep it low and do those slow flybys, fast flybys, and really tight loops and nice rolls as well. So this is the 70mm EDF F-16 from FMS. Well worth looking at. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.